Yes.
In addition to Milord, what Milord has submitted. My last two respectful submission. The first respectful submission is Milord that the petition is holding the post of conduct. Milord, if the qualification of post of sanitary assistant, because Milord, the sanitary inspector post, it could be given on promotion. Milord. It has to go from the post of sanitary inspector, sanitary assistant.
It has to. Where it has been stated? Under the qualification clause of 2008 rules?
It is not.
Not.
But Milord, since
Only criteria is this, that the petitioner must be, or the candidate must be holding the post in connection with which pay scale is lower than the pay scale of sanitary inspector.
below that of sanitary inspector. So below sanitary inspector post below. Kindly see.
Is it your case that the post which was held by the petitioner, the scale attached to that post is higher than the sanitary inspector?
So,
Then you have a case.
To submission is below that the post of below conservancy supervisor cannot be regarded at par with that of sanitary assistant.
That is neither here nor there, because this is not a relevant point. I have to proceed on the basis of the qualification clause. Qualification clause, Mr. Chaudhuri, whether the conservancy supervisor, the post which was held by the petitioner, the pay scale of the conservancy supervisor is higher than the sanitary inspector or lower than the sanitary inspector? Then I have to pass an order directing the DLB to promote, to grant approval of promotion, provided the post, the scale of pay attached to the post of conservancy supervisor is lower than the scale of pay attached to the post of sanitary inspector. That I can do, Mr. Ghani, for you.
My learned friend, he has been.
I will add this right. If it is not, yes, he is not entitled.
Lordship,
That he has already, Mr. Ghali has submitted that there is a proposal for change of designation.
Designation as well as creation. These two prayers were there from there.
Because as per the qualification clause, that is not required.
2016 there was.
Yes, so.
One last and page 21 of the reply that Devashish Ghosh
I am not on this. I am on the point which you are urging. That is the correct point. What? That is the correct point, and the interpretation of that point. Interpretation may not tally with you. That is separate thing, but those are not the considerations.
Stop.
My rules are 2005, 2008 and 2018, 17.
Regarding the queries, my lord, last thing I want to point out, one thing, my lord, just simple. My lord, kindly take, my lord, AO of
Please
the...
be precise. I have to rise early.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Kindly take,
Otherwise,
my lord,
I will fix the very well forward.
no, my lord. Just I will, my lord, want to rely, my lord, one submission of the municipality. Kindly take, my lord.
I will not go to any document. You be precise and make your submission.
I'm pretty simple. I'm reading what the municipality stated on oath. That from gradation list, it was found by the office that the present petitioner, being the second position in the gradation list, was eligible to get promotion for the said post, who was initially appointed as conservancy supervisor. Now, next is very important, and draws the salary below the pay scale of promotional post in question.
So, where it has been stated?
My lord, page 4 of the affidavit of municipality. They have clearly admitted on oath. Kindly see. My lord, I am relying, my lord, para 4E, page 4, municipality affidavit. Clearly stated. The affidavit affirmed on 17th June 2023.
Mr. Chaudhary has not read the affidavit. Yes. Where?
My lord, page 4 of the affidavit.
Yes. page
Kindly
4.
see page 4E. 4E. That from the gradation list, it was found by the office that the present petitioner, being the second position in the gradation list, was eligible to get promotion for the said post, who was initially appointed as conservancy supervisor, and draws the salary below the pay scale of the promotional post in question, sanitary inspector. They have admitted.
Yes, we have stated.
But
Then-
what is query about two posts?
No, my query is whether the pay scale attached to the post is lower than conservancies. So that was the question.
Yes,
That was the query of this
that
court.
is clear, my lord.
Yes. Issue. Petitioner is working, still he is working in the post of conservancy supervisor.
My lord.
Petitioner is working in the post of conservancy supervisor, who is desirous to be promoted to the post of sanitary inspector. Stop. The learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that a permission was accorded by the director of local bodies with a memo dated 21st September 2010, 21st/22nd, 22, 20, 21, 22, September 2010, addressed to the chairman of Hugli Chinsura municipality, within bracket hereinafter referred to as the said municipality, close bracket. Whereby the municipality was allowed to recruit in the post of sanitary inspector along with three other posts. While according permission, the director directed the said municipality to follow the relevant provisions of the West Bengal Municipal Now, to follow the relevant provisions of the West Bengal Municipal Employees within bracket recruitment close bracket rules, 2005. Stop. Subsequently, steps were taken by the municipality for appointment, no, for recruiting the post of sanitary inspector by promotion, and to that extent a gradation list was prepared as it emanates from the resolution dated 24th January 2015. Stop. At the relevant portion of the said resolution, it is recorded, it was decided, or it was resolved that as per the said gradation list, the first candidate against serial number 1 was not found to be eligible, and petitioner was placed at the second position of the gradation list, and it was decided on verification of his certificate relating to qualification. He is to be appointed, he is to be recruited for the post of sanitary inspector with on obtaining necessary permission from the director of local bodies. Stop. In terms of the said resolution dated 24th January 2015, with a letter dated 15th July 2016, prayer was made to the director of local bodies for according approval in support of promotion, which is to be granted to the petitioner from the post of conservancy supervisor to sanitary inspector. Stop. On receipt of such prayer from the municipality, director of local bodies took decision as contained in memo dated 10th January 2018, whereby prayer of the municipality for granting promotion to the petitioner was spurned on the ground that promotion from the post of conservancy supervisor to the post of sanitary inspector is impermissible. Since the same was found to be in breach of West Bengal municipal employees within bracket recruitment rules 2005 as amended. Stop. The said decision of the director of local bodies, which was communicated via memo dated 10 January 2018, is subject matter of challenge in the present petition. Stop. Next paragraph. The learned advocate representing the petitioner draws attention of this court the relevant provisions as contained in the West Bengal Municipal Employees within bracket recruitment close bracket rules 2005 vis-a-vis the provisions relating to promotion to the post of sanitary inspector as provided under West Bengal Municipal Employees plural apostrophe employees within bracket recruitment rules 2005 as amended via notification dated 28 November 2008. According to the petitioner, in terms of substituted NT 30 within brackets sanitary inspector capital hobe close bracket promotion from the post in connection with which lower pay scale is attached to the post of sanitary inspector is permissible provided other eligibility criteria in terms of qualification clause against entry 30 clause B within bracket small b are fulfilled. It is also submitted that since the permission was accorded on 21st/22nd September 2010, and the selection was made complete by adopting resolution of the municipality dated 24th January 2015. The West Bengal Municipal Employees Recruitment within bracket Rules 2005 as amended with a notification dated 28 November 2008 is applicable in case of promotion of the petitioner to the post of sanitary inspector. Therefore, the subsequent rules of 2017 according to the 2017 according to the petitioner is not applicable in the present case. Stop. Reliance has also been placed on clause A within brackets of সময় দেবে clause A of entry 30 of the aforesaid amended rules of 2008 in order to substantiate that though in terms of (2005) rules, promotion was impermissible, but in terms of 2008 amended rules, promotion needs to be given preference, and in absence of suitable candidate, direct recruitment would be the next option. While throwing challenge to the order of the director dated 10th January 2018, it is contended that the ground taken therein while refusing the prayer of promotion while refusing the prayer to promote the petitioner to the post of sanitary inspector, since petitioner was holding the post of conservancy supervisor, is misconceived consideration, and which is contrary to the provisions as contained in 2008 amended rules. Petitioner prays for cancellation of the impugned memo dated 10th January 2018 of the director and the cadre, thereby promoting him to the post of sanitary inspector. Next paragraph, Mr. Ghalib, learned advocate, representing the state respondents, has strenuously argued to defend the decision of the director of local bodies dated 10 January 2018 by making an attempt to explain the differences in provisions as contained in 2008 amended recruitment rules, which were brought in with a notification dated 28 November 2008. Stop. It has been urged that though promotion has been provided as method of recruitment under clause A of entry 30 in the amended recruitment rules of 2008, but qualification clause as contained under clause B does not provide for promotion, and according to the state respondents, only option which is left open to the municipality is to conduct fresh recruitment, to initiate fresh recruitment process, where at best departmental candidates can be permitted to compete with the outsiders, provided these departmental candidates are possessing requisite eligibility criteria as contemplated under clause B under entry 30. Therefore, according to the state respondents, initiation of recruitment process following the method of promotion is faulty. Stop. Next paragraph, it has also been submitted that on behalf of the said municipality, prayer is made to the director to redesignate the post of the petitioner as
Sanitary assistant.
sanitary assistant
For creation of this.
as sanitary assistant and a creditor, thereby permit the petitioner to be promoted to the post of sanitary inspector. Stop. Another limb of submission which has been advanced on behalf of the state respondents is granting opportunity to the petitioner to be promoted to the post of clerk of the said municipality, which has been turned down by the petition. Next paragraph. Said municipality is represented by learned advocate who has drawn attention of this court to the averment made in paragraph 1E within bracket E of the affidavit in opposition used, wherein it has been averred
4E.
40, 1 in 40, wherein it has been averred that the petitioner is eligible to get promotion to the post of sanitary inspector since being conservancy supervisor, he draws salary below the pay scale which is attached to the promotional to the aforesaid promotional post. Stop. Next paragraph. This court is required to appraise the decision of the director of local body. The decision of the director of local bodies dated 10th January 2018 on the anvil of the submissions made on behalf of the parties. Stop. On mere reading of the impugned decision of the director dated 10 June 2018 depicts that the sole ground which has been taken while denying the promotion to the petitioner is conservancy supervisor was not found to be a feeder post for being promoted to the post of sanitary inspector. Stop. Nowhere in the said order, nowhere in the impugned order of the director, it has been spelled out that promotion to the post of sanitary inspector is impermissible. But it has been indicated therein that promotion from the post of conservancy supervisor to the post of sanitary inspector is impermissible. It is also revealed from the said order, from the said impugned memo, that if the petitioner were holding the post of sanitary assistant, he might have been permitted to be promoted to the post of sanitary inspector, and there is no quarrel to that extent. There is no quarrel to that extent. তার আগে ফুল স্টপ দিন। On the contrary, next paragraph, on the contrary, while advancing argument on behalf of the state respondents, it has been submitted that in view of the provisions as contemplated under entry 30 clause B of the amended recruitment rules of 2008, promotion is not permissible. From any lower post, and municipal authorities are required to fill up the posts of sanitary inspector by fresh recruitment. Stop. In juxtaposing the submission of made on behalf of the state respondents and the ground which has been taken by the director while refusing to grant promotion to the petitioner, it appears that those are contrary to each other. Stop. Next paragraph, another aspect is required to be delved into while considering the case made out in this writ petition. Since it has been submitted on behalf of the state respondents, upon placing reliance on clauses A within bracket and B within bracket under entry 30 of the amended recruitment rules of 2008, that the promotion from any feeder post to the post of sanitary inspector is impermissible. Stop. In order to comprehend the issue agitated on behalf of the state respondents, this court finds it apt to quote entire entry 30 under the recruitment under the amended recruitment rules of 2008 below. Page 25 of the affidavit of state, এটাকে set out করে দেন। Next paragraph. Clause A of entry 30 as set out above reveals permissibility of promotion and which would be the first option so far municipality is concerned, and in case of non-availability of suitable candidates, candidate plural na singular, candidate, direct recruitment would be the second option. Stop. In the backdrop of this provision as couched under clause A, if this court accepts the contention of the state respondents that in view of the provisions as contained under clause B, promotion is impermissible, that would lead to an anomalous situation which would make the avenue of promotion which has been provided in clause A as nugatory. Stop. Moreover, the point, the ground which has been urged upon reliance on aforesaid, upon placing reliance on aforesaid entry 30 is not the ground taken by the director while refusing the prayer of promoting the petitioner to the post of sanitary inspector. Stop. Therefore, by taking a ground which is foreign to the reasons disclosed in the impugned order, the order, the order of the director cannot be improved. Stop. Next paragraph. Accordingly, next paragraph, in aforesaid conspectus, the order, the impugned decision of the director as contained in the memo dated 10th January 2018 stands set aside. Stop. The concerned respondent authorities are directed to promote the petitioner to the post of sanitary inspector within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of the order, from the date of communication of this order. Stop. However, there shall be no orders to cost urgent direction.
But I am
There are only one submission of mine, that is, I relied upon paragraphs 10 and 16 of my opposition. That Lordship might have taken note of that also, Lordship. Only that part is not recorded by paragraphs 10 and 16 of the opposition by the state. Dealing with paragraph 14 and 20 of the writ petition.
Paragraph 16 at page 7 of your affidavit in opposition.
Para 10 and 16, my lord.
Yes.
Para 10 is at page 5, my lord.
Yes, what is that point? There is no marking. Yes, I generally mark it. Yes.
Oh, Lordship. While dealing with paragraph 10, paragraph 14
With
of
reference to the with reference to the
paragraph 14 of the writ petition.
paragraph 14
Of the writ
wrong
petition,
with,
my lord. Yes, it is just, my lord, the
sentence is wrong. Yes.
yes, the concluding part, if the existing, kindly see the last line, my lord, at the bottom. If the existing provision of the West Bengal Municipal Employees Rules 2000 at that point of time is considered, even then the petitioner could not be considered for such promotion. That is one part, my lord. And my lord, paragraph 16. with regard to scale anomalies.
I say the nature of the job of conservation supervisor and sanitary assistant, not the same. In case of sanitary assistant, service training.
That is not required in view of the emphasis given on clause B.
But one thing I want to
Yes.
add,
Yes.
my lord, since my lord, satisfied this honorable court that I have on no fault, that rather I have been victimized by the inaction of the state, my lord, kindly, my lord, direct to my post approval, my lord, from the date of my lord and my
Next matter.
my lord, benefits, my lord, to the post, my lord, because I have been selected in the year 2015. And
একটা line add করে দাও যে after the order of after the petitioner would be promoted to the post of sanitary inspector, it will be open to the petitioner to make a representation to the concerned respondent authorities praying area benefits in connection with praying for area benefits which is connected to his
post approval.
promotion,
But
which is connected to promotion.
Even if the approval was pending.
Stop.
approval
Approval
should
Have
be,
said nothing after promoted.
my lord, approval
Promotion, he is given a leave to make a prayer before the authority for consideration of granting area benefits in connection with promotion. He will take decision in accordance with law.
if my lord kindly, my lord, specific that
How
post
can it be
post
lost?
because I have a note fault.
As on
The
date, it
municipal
must-
has communicated in the year 2016,
as on date,
and
it was-
they, my lord, sat tight over the matter. That is my response. Now I am submitting before my lord praying. I am praying before my lord.
No further order. Next.
Kindly consider this aspect, my lord.
Now you are praying at the time of your submission.
My lord, in prayer also, my lord,
Next matter.